There are voices with a range of choices about making changes in our city today. And it may not be the way she'd choose, but you won't lose a say. And as the years move along, we belong to a place, and faces may come and go. We need to know, we need to give, we need to feed the soul of where we live. You can take the girl out of the city, but you can't take this city out of the girl. There's a pearl in every neighborhood and good reasons to stay. And though the seasons change and places rearrange and faces come